Hey everybody, so I got some new ceramic knives today. These come from Wacool, and I have used ceramic knives in the past. You definitely want to be careful depending on what you're using these for. They are ceramic like I mentioned, so they can break very easily if you're trying to cut hard things or you're trying to cut on hard surfaces. I would not recommend using like glass cutting boards or just anything that's really hard. I would use either a plastic or a wood. You also don't want to use these for cutting bones or anything hard like that. And the other thing that you want to do when you're cutting with them is you don't want to do any kind of twisting because you can chip them as well. Now, as for sharpness, these things are really, really sharp. These ones also do come with sheaths. Now you get your larger knife, you get a utility knife, and then you get a smaller paring knife. All right, so let's go ahead and cut up a couple things. I got a potato. Now I'm not going to bother peeling this, but let's go ahead and just cut through it. It cuts pretty easily. Now it is a little sticky compared to like my Santoku. I don't know, I feel like this isn't quite a knife that I would use on potatoes, but I also have an orange. Now, one thing that might be a pro for some, but a con for me, is that it is super, super lightweight. I like a lot of heaviness when it comes to my knives. Now, as for the sharpness, this knife is super sharp. It will cut through a lot of different things. You don't want to use it on hard surfaces. You don't want to use it on hard items such as bones and items like that, like I mentioned. You'll use this one for like vegetables, fruits. You can use it for like fish. Anyway, that's my quick demonstration using the Wacool ceramic knives.